Welcome to our comprehensive guide on resetting your Panasonic TV remote control. Whether you've lost functionality or just need a quick refresh, we've got you covered. Let's first discuss some common issues that might require you to reset your remote. These include unresponsive buttons, delayed actions, and connection difficulties. Here's a step-by-step guide to resetting your Panasonic remote. First, remove the batteries, and then press and hold down any button for about 5 seconds to discharge any residual power. Before you reset, ensure you have the correct model of your remote and that the batteries are functioning properly. This will save time and frustration. Depending on your Panasonic TV model, there may be alternative reset methods available. Check your user manual for model-specific instructions. After resetting, you'll need to repair your remote with your TV. Simply hold the pairing button until the LED indicator blinks, then follow the on-screen prompts. If resetting fails, try replacing the batteries again, or check for obstructions between the remote and the TV. Sometimes, signal interference can cause issues. To keep your remote in top shape, clean it regularly and store it in a safe, dry place. Avoid exposure to extreme temperatures and liquids. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide helped you reset your Panasonic remote control. Check the description for additional resources and support links.